You get lined up for the opening draw. Your referees are Michael Markovic and Dean Morton. The linesmen, Derek Nansen and Devin Berg. Tampa Bay, 6th place in the Atlantic Division, dressed in white. This is Vrana. Put some sauce on it for Oshie. Short side shut down by McElhaney. Beautiful pass there from Vrana to spring the veteran winger. Lars Eller waits for Panik to get back on side. Richard Panik on the board last night when the Caps doubled up the Devils. Gudis lets it fly. Knocked down in front. Rebound. Swivel. Turnaround shot that didn't find a home. It was Eller trying to tap to the corner. Backstrom, two-man game with Kuznetsov. Oshie is the man on the interior. Backstrom lets it fly. Shoulder down by McElhaney. Rebound for the Bolts. Not clear. One shot on goal for the Caps during that 2 minutes. Vrana, as the Lightning are back to level. This wrister's cuffed down and covered by McElhaney. Down the flank for Hathaway on the bump set to Leipzig. He'll clear in. Nice send away, hiding behind the D. Spinning to his forehand, Kucherov fires, and Holtby shuffled over to make the pad save.
Work down low overall by Point, getting positioning.
They work it quickly, looking inside for Point. That's deflected away. Power play stats that are powered by Jacobs and Dell Technologies. Kucherov, backside Stamkos. Hedman right up the gut and a fine stop there for Braden Holtby. Stamkos feeds Hedman, bring it this way to Killorn. They sweep it to the front side. This is a wrister from Stamkos, and again volleyed away by Braden Holtby.
Thank God that puck got up on end to Stamkos.
Kucherov look away, and Point drilled it wide. Point, who led the NHL in power play goals last season.
And you see his numbers against Tampa Bay. Pretty impressive.
Capitals win the draw. Jensen's long wrister knocked down in front. It's a one-sided bout in favor of Washington's 43. Kuznetsov 3-on-3 on the delay. Looks cross rink. This one's pumped right on. Good stop there by McElhaney. Capitals are out shooting the Lightning 7-4. Vrana gets his speed going. Shuffling over there was McElhaney to shrug it down.
And they've been all even strength.
That's Craig Lachlan. I'm Joe Beninati. Alan May inside the glass. Al Kopen, your rinkside reporter. Killorn fires. That was broken up. Shattenkirk unloads. That's gobbled up by Holtby. The pivot. Travis Boyd, the healthy scratch for the Caps. Dowd opens up. Plenty of room. Settles. Snaps one right on there. McElhaney recovered in time.
They had a big-time problem.
Shaded there by Cirelli. John Carlson comes to fetch. Ovechkin fires. Pad save McElhaney. Oshie looking back for the captain. The only man in the way, though, is Killorn, who will clear.
Has been great from start to finish so far this season. Not so much among all the other players for this Tampa Bay team.
Carlson down low, jammed away by McElhaney as he was being blitzed by Oshie in front. Kucherov dangles, finds Stamkos. Relay for Hedman straight away. This was rung off the crossbar. A wicked drive from Kucherov off the pipe and out. John Carlson and the Caps straight ahead. The healthy scratch for Washington. Travis Boyd sitting this one out. Centering pass, a good one. Wrister here. The arm up in time. McElhaney with a denial on Kuznetsov.
Try to play a little footsie there, trying to get it towards the net.
Turned into Lionel Messi. Snapshot ripped right on, and Holtby made the blocker save. Killorn has had a fine season. It's a step on Luke Schenn. Schenn recovered nicely and then muscles him down. Gudis cranks this one. Score! 64 feet away.
Left glove and catching mitt of the goaltender. I think Schenn and everybody was too worried about the commotion behind the net. Lars Eller will get the primary assist. And there it is. Good net front there by the Caps. Getting to front was Panik and company, trying to get a little bit of a screen. And here comes the shot. And to me, it goes off the inside guy. 23-3 against this Lightning club.
Tonight's rivalry matchup presented by AAA. Go ahead. McElhaney in goal for the Bolts. Holtby for Washington. Braden has 7 stops to his credit. Linesman Devin Berg. Wilson closing. Fires, and that's a good stop by McElhaney with no rebound.
He's looked pretty sharp considering he's only played 2 of the last 14 for Tampa Bay. Games, 8.66 save percentage, and the goals against too high.
Kempny lets it fly. McElhinney has that in the breadbasket, and he'll hold. Did a round one defender. Carlson comes over to help. This pass to the front was a good one from Stamkos, just misfiring for Killorn. There's another bang-bang play. Cirelli beaten at the goal line by Holtby. Kempny waits. Picks up the open Leipzig. Leipzig steps in, feeds, Hathaway just missed.
That was a sweet pass by Leipzig. Might have been the pass of the year had it connected there. It got to Hathaway, just didn't bury it against the goaltender.
Carlson, stretch it out on the money there for Vrana. Hathaway going to the goal, stopped by McElhinney. Garnet Hathaway, an outstanding shift. Palat, Point, waits, settles and fires. Holtby makes a big save there on the dangerous Braden Point.
Sweet play. See that pass coming across? Kucherov was thinking of picking it up. He does it. It goes to Point, and he stops, starts, moves.
Not only with the reach, but his skating ability is so world class. Point closing. Kucherov steps to the roof. The puck winds up on the wrong man's stick for Washington. Kucherov has tied it.
The only one that's going to beat Holtby. Here it is, broken play. They do pass it around. The kick up, it'll come from skate and come right through before Wilson can collect it. And it goes right onto the guy. You nailed it, Joe. You don't want to have him with the puck coming to his stick.
5-on-3 for 40 seconds. Stamkos feeds. Johnson lets it go. Holtby shuffled over for that. Kucherov in tight quarters there, has to get around the referee. Point, great pass. Swapper on the way, glove save. Holtby got the hand up in time. It stays 1-1. 2 men up for another 11 seconds. Radko Gudas would love to come sprinting from that penalty box right now to try and help his mates. A critical win of the draw. Tampa Bay gets it. Stamkos on the feed, bumps it for Hedman. Fine, stop Holtby again. Stepping out to challenge. Gudas is set free. It's a 5-on-4. Off moving it up ice. Took it into traffic. Plays for Kuznetsov. Then Vrana. Slapper. Score! Orlov does it again to the Bolts with a bomb from downtown.
Caught down low. This leads to the attack. The Caps move the puck efficiently. Vrana will get the primary assist, and the Capitals get another good bounce. That, to me, looked like it went off the shin of Paquette. As the puck might have been going wide, it changed directions drastically, and Orlov will take it. What a blast. There's a change of direction.
Killorn was the object of his affection there. Now Wilson towards the empty goal. Putters it on for Dowd. Dowd from the wing hits the brakes and scores! Nick Dowd.
Take pot shots. The Capitals made plays instead. Here's Orlov trying to just get it down the ice. It works out nicely to Tom Wilson. So it'll be Dowd from Wilson and Orlov right into the far corner. Great pull-up against Kucherov, who did a flyby, Joe, rather than stop. And watch Kucherov try to defend here. Goes by, turns his back.
Cirelli turns. Killorn, his pass blocked. Backstrom will take it and send it on out. And Washington takes this one down on a Saturday night by the final count of 3-1.